You holding that van up, Jace? Won't fall over.
Finn's working away in there.
Finn's working away.
Yeah.
Steve's walking away.
Steve's going to sort that fridge out.
Yeah. You sorted the fridge out, Steve?
Twice, I think he said. Yeah, we said Steve will sort that fridge out.
Yeah, the fridge is fine.
He told us how to do it, so we said we'll crack on then.
See, these are the problems you have.
Yeah.
Campervan.
Yeah.
It's got a fridge.
Yeah.
It's got one tap.
Yeah. The electric bed.
Electric bed. And heating.
Yeah.
So, Finn, does the fridge work?
Yeah, the fridge
Yeah.
works, yeah.
Yeah.
Does the electric bed work?
Well,
Sort of.
sort of at the minute.
Does the heating work?
Not at the minute, no.
No. What about the tap?
Tap now works, yeah. Didn't before.
We're getting there.
See, this is what we're up against. I've got a dilemma, Kev.
Go on.
I've got a dilemma. Can we show you?
Dolly Lamb. He's the guy at the
Bobby.
beach. Just go see one.
I'm going to ask for your years and years of experience here.
Go on then.
What I should do. That flash screen there.
Yep. He says with the light right in my eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put it up.
No springy.
So what have I got to do, Kev?
It's got to come off, hasn't it?
What's got to come off?
Flash screen.
Oh, okay. How'd you get the flash screen off?
Took all this off. Haven't you? All that panel comes off, doesn't it, with it in it?
All the panel has to come off.
Yeah.
To get its one flash screen.
Yeah. Because it comes as a complete unit.
Which happens to be all up there.
Yeah.
All in there. To get it one flash screen that only half closes. To retension back up again.
Yep.
Yeah, oof. Oof.
Anyway, on a better point.
Look above you.
Yeah.
Skylight.
Yeah. Flash screen.
No. Teeny thing.
Do anything. Oh,
Yeah.
Whizzy. Broke, Jason.
It's broke. Exactly. It's broke.
Why do they have to have these windy ones, right? You just have a poppy uppy one.
Exactly. Poppy up be better than windy.
Dead right.
So, these are the pressures I'm under.
Yep.
You see? Now, in other news.
I just slide that fly screen up and put a clothes peg under it.
You do it. See? Told you don't doubt him.
He's done it.
He's done it.
Well, don't touch it, Jason.
You don't touch it.
I knew you could do it, Steve.
No, you didn't.
I said Steve would sort it.
So, we're having the best start ever, aren't we?
Yeah.
Not that, hang on. You've been away 4 weeks.
Yeah.
Where have you been?
Only 2 weeks in the Caribbean.
Yeah, but you were off for 4 weeks.
I know, yeah, well.
Why were we off 2 weeks?
The first week I had a hospital appointment. And then I've had me 2 weeks away. I didn't get back till last Friday morning, early hours of the morning. I've been jet lagged since. So, yeah, I've had 4 weeks. 3 weeks.
You're exaggerating.
Yeah, you've had a week off for jet lag.
Yeah. In the Barbados.
Right, Toyota Pros, that's sold.
Yep.
And what else have we got? We're actually running out of vans, Kevin. So, I think we've just done a deal on that one as well.
Yep.
That's not sold, that surprised me.
Oh, the auction. We've only
Auctions.
just finished that. A lot of people were inquiring about it, weren't
Yeah.
they? Really nice van.
That is a nice van. I'm surprised that hasn't sold.
You look at the price, yeah?
Yeah.
Bargain basement van, that.
That's just sold. We've got some, I think there's about 10 vans sold. Ooh, I want to show you something now. Right? Bailey's do motorhomes, don't they?
Yeah.
Did you know they do campervans, Kev?
No.
You don't?
No.
I'll endeavour to show you. Come on.
Could be one of the first, hasn't it?
Bailey, campervan.
25 plate.
Yeah.
Bailey Endeavour.
Yeah.
6 metre.
Yeah. Look at that. Fridge that works. Now it's been fixed. Look at that. Automatic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On a Ford.
Yeah.
Bit tight squeeze there,
It is a bit of a tight squeeze, Kev, but I'll rectify that for you, just for you. There you go.
How's that for forward thinking?
You can get through.
Eh?
Yeah.
So you can access your kitchen, plenty of room in your kitchen.
Yeah.
But if somebody's in the shower, you can't have a cup of tea yet because I can't get to the cooker.
Yes, you can. There you go. Now, if you want to bring a kid with you, they've even done now adult skylights and kid skylights.
Yeah, haven't they? Yeah.
Look, adult skylight.
Yeah.
Kid skylight.
Oh, well, what that's for is it raining outside? I don't know. I'll stick the baby's head out. Oh, yeah, baby's head's wet.
Wet the baby's head?
Wet the
Is that
baby.
where it's come from?
Yeah. Stick the baby's head out that little skylight.
Yep. Done. No, done. No. This has just come in.
Yeah.
So, nice family. I've done a review on it.
3-burner hob, combined oven grill.
Loads of storage. Typical big lockers.
Nice dash.
Typical big lockers.
Typical Bailey lockers.
There you go, Luke.
Always big Baileys.
Yeah. And you've got a lift up thing and
A slotty thing. 3 slotties.
slotties.
We can slot things in there. Yeah. Oh, it's different than a lifty uppy. It's a slotty.
slotty.
I could slot my can of beans in there. And
Right.
I won't slot my beer in there though because it won't keep cold, would it?
What else have we had? We've had a Swift coming, haven't we?
I don't know.
Shall we go have a look at that?
You tell me, I've been on my jollies, mate.
Oh yeah, haven't you? A Volkswagen over there as well, that's just come in.
Yep.
Let's go and have a look at the Swifty.
Yeah.
I wonder if that's got slotty. Not where we're up to.
Here.
Victoria. So that's getting ready to go. I've got to come and work on Saturday, Kev.
Hey.
Yeah, it's going out Saturday.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
It's a blow, isn't it?
It is a blow.
Just Steve come in, could be.
No, I'm going to show you the Swift we've just had in, Kev. Is it warm or is it me?
That's gone warm, hasn't it? So I brought that sunshine back from Barbados.
What was your favourite meal?
Last meal on ship, liver and onions. I did that, yeah. I had liver and onions. They were great on the ship. Even had black pudding, back bacon.
Black pudding with liver and onions?
No, that was my breakfast. Black pudding. Bloody
I'm
food.
surprised you had black pudding.
Yeah, food was amazing, mate, yeah. Hey, Yorkshire tea as well. Yorkshire tea bags.
Yorkshire tea bags?
Yeah. Hey, and on the cheese board, said, look at that, Belton cheese. Make it up the bloody road from where I live.
Yeah, they do, don't they? Yeah, Belton cheese.
Yeah, on the ship in the Caribbean. Nice cheese, daughter sells all that.
Swift Escape, Kev.
Yep.
You can come in, Kev.
Come on, alright. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a Swift Escape.
Quite a nice Swift Escape, isn't it?
And lounge.
Yeah. Oh, look, behind you.
Oh, drop down ready. Yeah. So, how many seat belts? 4 belts.
Yeah.
4 belted seats.
Not a bad washroom either.
Oh, decent size for a wet room, mate. Yeah.
What's that there?
I'd say it's a 4-berth. What's that there?
What is it?
Don't know, my glasses have gone dark.
They put your finger in there.
12 volts, 12 volt sockets. It's just a 12 volt extension lead.
It says, isn't it?
You got USBs on it as well?
Oh.
No.
Oh, okay. So there you have the Swift Escape. Bit of a market update.
They've not changed a lot, have they, really?
Not Swift, I'm on about the market itself.
Oh, the market
Wally.
itself, oh, yeah.
How would you know? You've been away.
I know, true, yeah. Yeah, prices are stabilised, really, aren't they?
So come on then, give us a market update then.
Prices are stabilised.
Right.
Petrol's expensive.
Yeah.
Thanks to Mr. Trump.
It's expensive. Why do they put the petrol up so quick when they've already brought it? Well, I noticed we pay 20% VAT on the fuel, and also the government gets 39% as well.
Yeah, a lot of money.
It is a lot of money.
I know it's because I came back off holiday, because it all kicked off while I was on holiday, and like I was paying like 127 at my local garage. I think that's for petrol for my car. I think it's 149 now, something like that.
But are we not still using the reserves they've already brought?
Yeah, it don't work like that apparently. Don't ask me why. You know, it's like when cigarettes and that go up, isn't it? You know, they've already got them in stock in the shop, but they still charge a new rate.
Yeah.
You know. So yeah, somebody's ripping people off, aren't they?
Anything else?
I mean, it makes me laugh. We've got a garage in Whitchurch, which is the cheapest fuel in Shropshire.
It has been for donkey's years.
Yeah. People drive for miles to go there, you know. Now we've got another garage in the town of Whitchurch, which is, I think it's 3p a litre more. Right, so I worked out, if I, instead of filling up at the 3p a litre more, I filled up at the other one, I'd save about £1.10p. It's not even a bloody litre of fuel, is it? It's not worth the drive, is it? People are driving from Crewe and everywhere to go and get cheap fuel. By the time they got back home, they've used it, what they've saved.
True,
So,
true.
Yeah, false economy. False
Anything else in the news?
No, not really. I didn't see a lot of telly. I'm too busy lying on my sun lounger drinking rum. Rum punch, rum sour. Oh. You got to drink rum when you're in Caribbean, haven't you? Eh? It's compulsory.
Compulsory. Anyway, shall we do some market news?
Go on then, do some market news.
Aldi's. Oh, I'll tell you something. I heard Aldi's aren't doing caravans anymore.
Oh,
No, they just do motorhomes.
ooh.
So that's what you. I think, and they're moving production.
Are they?
Yeah. I spotted it the other week actually. I think it's going to be a good year because I don't think people are going to want to go away. To be honest.
Well, they're not. People are cancelling Cyprus and places like that.
Yeah. Obviously, they're closing the airports down in Dubai and places as well.
They did do, didn't they? Because a drone hit somewhere, but they opened it again, didn't they?
Yeah. So I think it's going to be a good year for the motorhome market. We've had a cracking start to the year. We need stock. So if you're thinking of selling your motorhome or campervan, get in touch with us because we will buy them. And you'll get to see a video of your own campervan and motorhome after we brought it.
You will. Yes.
Right?
And see what we have to do to it, because you think, oh, my motorhome's perfect, but we'll find problems with them.
Exactly.
You know, we get like motorhomes that are like 2 month old, 3 month old. They got problems.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I think it's going to be a good year. Like I say, prices are not going to go down anymore.
No.
That's it now.
No.
You've had all your corrections. Even the new stuff now has corrected itself, so you're not going to get them any lower. I don't think there is any bargains out there anymore now. You might get a few off the deals if they're trying to shift new vans, but yeah, I think the market is your camper vans and also your small compact ones.
Yeah.
I think that's where your market is. That's what we're selling a lot of. And yeah, everything's going really well. I'll tell you what I've just noticed, Kev. Look at this here. I like that fridge. That's a nice fridge, isn't it?
That's a nice fridge, isn't it?
That's a nice fridge.
Yep.
So, shall we go have a look at the compound? What we've got in the compound?
Go on then. Right, we're in the compound then. What are you
We're in the compound.
going to show me?
Got to do something with that. I haven't had a chance to do anything with that.
An old
Kev.
symbol, yeah. Well, we're looking at what? 2006?
Yeah, done nothing with it yet.
No. Good van for somebody, that.
Adria, we sold that.
Yep.
We sold that. We're waiting for the guy to sort his licence out. And now he's told us he can't get the licence sorted out.
Oh. Needs to see one.
So,
Why can't you get it sorted
I don't know, for health reasons.
out? Oh dear.
So they won't do it. So now we're going to put that back on. So that's probably one of the nicest vans we've ever had in as well.
It is
a bit
nice, isn't it?
frustrating that is because we checked it all off, got it ready, he assured us it was, but it is what it is.
Too big to downplay it as well, isn't it?
No, you don't want to be downplating that. Don't want to
You'd be lucky to be able to carry a suitcase in the bloody thing, wouldn't you, if you downplated that? People don't realise when they say, oh, well, downplate it. Yeah, then you've got to take into account probably when that was originally sorted out.
Yeah, probably didn't have a awning on. Probably didn't have this, didn't have that. You got to take into account you got fuel in it, you got water in it, you got gas in it, and you realise that your payload's going down all the time, isn't it? So yeah, I mean, we've got some of these big 6-bursts now. They say, oh yeah, because I haven't an ordinary licence. You can if there's only you goes away in it.
True.
You know, you got to be careful.
Yeah.
Be careful of your payloads and make sure your licence covers you.
Yeah. I've got a Bessie car here. I haven't done anything with that.
Nope, good old Bessie. Nice fan, the best cars, aren't they?
That's customers just got that done. Need to give them a ring. I've got a Volkswagen there. Not done anything with that.
Nope.
We just brought that the other day.
Oh, a little Mazan.
Little Mazan.
They're a good seller, aren't they?
I haven't done anything with it, Kev. And I've got that one there.
Is that auction?
I don't
Trade
know.
it.
I don't know.
Trade it.
I need to get in to all of these.
Yeah, it's been stood a while, that, hasn't it?
Yeah.
For the roof.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's all people don't use them, and they stood there like that. And
Exactly.
you know.
So I've got a few vans here to get into sort, but I just haven't got the time, Kev.
Yeah,
Because we've sold
headlights
loads.
on that best car, don't they?
Oh yeah, I never noticed that.
They will
Headlights.
polish, they will polish up then.
Yeah. Well, we put that the Auto Cruise. We put the Auto Cruise up for sale, and like I say, I'm a bit disheartened because it hasn't sold,
No.
and it's such a nice van as well.
20k.
So yeah, I thought I'd give people a chance to buy them.
Buy it. Yeah.
But instead, I might just send them off and just trade them. To be honest, I don't know what to do yet. But yeah, that surprised me, that Auto Cruise.
Yep.
That's a great van for somebody.
It's on the internet now, is it? Yeah.
Eh?
It's on the internet. Yeah.
Yeah. I hope so. Yeah. So there we go. Busy time, Kev.
Yeah.
You've come back.
Yeah.
What else? Anything else you can think of?
Not really, no. Nice sunny day.
Right, let's go. We're dragging this out now.
Not time for a beer yet, no.
No. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe.
I've had about 3 rums by now, you know.
I've been laying on my sunbed with a rum punch.
That all you did?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll do a pina colada.
Pina colada? What is in a pina colada? Let us know in the comments. And Kev will mark them. What is in a pina colada?
Yeah.